I clearly remember it was in 2010 when I was interviewing candidates for over a week and I was struggling to get one good candidate for the position that I was interviewing people. I spoke to my HR and they said that they are doing their best to help me out. At that time, I had my first realization that there are a lot of talent gaps, there are a lot of issues with respect to talent identification, talent attraction, and obviously talent retention in an organization. In 2011, I went to my HR and I asked them that why are you hiring people from outside in middle and senior level when you already have a good pool of talent within the organization. I got a response. They told me that they are new to the organization and that is where we don't have good talent pool within and we have to get people from outside. At that time, I immediately asked them a question that what are you doing in developing the talent from within? And I did not get a clear answer. That was the second time that I had the realization that for organization to develop talent within is a big challenge. It's a huge challenge of expectation and fulfilling the demands and expectation of the employees. In 2012, I resigned. I resigned from my job.
Are you sure तुमने सही decision लिया है?
Yes, sir.
I wanted to come out of that corporate world and wanted to address these two problems of talent identification, talent development, and fulfilling the demands of the organization at an appropriate time speed and with good quality. I'm very happy. I'm extremely delighted to share that today in June 21, we are completing 9 years of HCN. And in these 9 years, we have done a fabulous job. We have not only been able to meet the expectations of our clients in fulfilling the demands of talent, but also we have done a fabulous job with respect to fulfilling the talent development requirements within the organization as well as to an open market to various professionals who have come across HCN, whether it is with respect to jobs, whether it respect to personal development, whether even with respect to resume writing. I'm very happy and I'm very glad to say that in 9 years, I have seen a humongous amount of failures. I've seen failures at every stage. The reason number one, that I was not from the HR industry. I came from purely sales and marketing background. So I had to face a huge amount of challenges. Failures were just coming one after another. I have overcome them. I am more firm. I am more stronger than before because I have traveled a journey. I didn't give up in spite of the worst that was happening on my side.
हर बार पत्थर इतना बड़ा नहीं होएगा कि किसी के नजर में आ जाए। जम के मेहनत करनी है। ऐनी कि कोई कंकर पत्थर तेरा कुछ बिगाड़ ही ना पाए।
I am now able to not only understand, fulfill, but also I give extra customer delight to my clients wherever I work with them. I give them the best talent, I give them the best talent solution, I give them the direction that how they can become a successful company. And it was all because of my failures, of my thought process, my belief that yes, there are certain problems that exist on this side of talent management and I've been successfully able to answer those questions.
जब खून पसीना एक साथ कागज पर छपता है ना, टेबल बेड बन जाती है और ऑफिस घर। भूख प्यास भूल जाती है, बाल बच्चे रुल जाते हैं, तब जाके सलीक कंपनी बनती है।
I look forward to your support. You have supported me immensely. You have given me that strength to stand up and fight up to these problems, challenges, and I have been able to fulfill when I see that professionals are making the best version of themselves by developing themselves. Once I'm able to give that to people, I fulfill my satisfaction of human capabilities. How I can contribute in building human capabilities for people all around me, in organizations, in an open market, when individuals really want to do well. I look forward to your support once again, to give me your blessings, to give me your support, your encouragement, your confidence in me, so that I can give back to you in 10x ratios. Now it's time to celebrate the 9 years of HCN. It's time to celebrate the success of HCN with all of you. Thanks a lot, and do share your comments, feedback. That will help me to know that what do you think about us. Cheers.
हवा जरा सी लगने उड़ने दो उड़ने दो हवा जरा सी लगने